What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best Asus laptops to buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Asus VivoBook S14 Flip OLED is a convertible version of their popular S14 laptop. This new laptop is designed to cater to both creative professionals and students who require powerful hardware in a portable and stylish package. The laptop is available with either the latest Intel H series processors or AMD Ryzen 7 processors, both of which provide excellent performance for demanding tasks. One of the standout features of the VivoBook S14 Flip OLED is its high refresh, high-resolution OLED display. With a resolution of 2.8K and a refresh rate of 90 Hz, this display is unmatched by other laptops in its class. The display provides an excellent viewing experience for entertainment and creative needs, making it a great choice for those who value visual quality. In addition to its impressive display, the VivoBook S14 Flip OLED is also incredibly thin and light, measuring only 18.9 mm thick and weighing just 1.5 kilograms. This makes it easy to take with you on the go, whether you're traveling to work or school. With up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of PCIe 4.0 SSD storage, the laptop provides excellent performance and ample storage space for all your files and applications. The VivoBook S14 Flip OLED also features a full set of I/O ports, including Thunderbolt 4 and HDMI 2.0 support, as well as Asus ErgoSense keyboard and touchpad, a fast fingerprint sensor on the power button, and Wi-Fi 6 support. The laptop is extremely versatile and can be used in tent mode, stand mode, tablet mode, or laptop mode, making it a great choice for a variety of use cases. Overall, the Asus VivoBook S14 Flip OLED is an excellent choice for anyone who values performance, portability, and versatility in a laptop. With its powerful hardware, impressive display, and variety of features, it's sure to meet the needs of creatives and students alike. The Asus VivoBook Pro 15 OLED is a powerful laptop designed for content creators and gamers. It features an AMD Ryzen processor and Nvidia GeForce RTX graphics card, providing excellent performance for demanding applications. There are multiple models available with different specifications, such as the Ryzen 5 5600H or Ryzen 7 5800H processors, up to 16 GB of memory, and up to a 1 TB PCIe SSD for storage. One standout feature of the VivoBook Pro 15 OLED is its display, which utilizes OLED technology to provide excellent color accuracy and contrast. This makes it an ideal choice for those who work with graphics, video, or other visual media. Additionally, the GeForce RTX GPUs offer hardware-accelerated ray tracing, which is useful for creating realistic lighting and shadows in 3D applications. The laptop also includes other useful features such as a backlit keyboard, fast charging, and a fingerprint reader for secure login. Its slim and lightweight design makes it easy to take on the go, while still providing ample connectivity options, including USB-C, SD card reader ports, and HDMI. Overall, the Asus VivoBook Pro 15 OLED is a great choice for those looking for a powerful and versatile laptop for content creation, gaming, or everyday use. Its combination of performance, display quality, and portability make it a top contender in its class. The Asus ZenBook 13 is a laptop that combines elegance with power. It boasts a slim profile and is currently the thinnest laptop in the world with discrete graphics. The laptop is available in a royal blue or slate gray finish with a sharp display that offers 4K resolution, making it ideal for viewing movies, photos, and games with fine details. The ZenBook 13 is powered by an 8th generation Intel Core i7 processor with discrete graphics, allowing for faster processing times and handling power-intensive tasks such as gaming and photo editing. It also has a new ASUS technology, Wi-Fi Master, which enables fast, far, and stable connections. The laptop features a full range of inputs, a backlit keyboard with generous key travel, and Harman Kardon certified speakers, delivering the best audio experience for music, games, and movies. The ZenBook 13 has a fingerprint security system that allows for quick logins with Windows Hello. It provides all-day battery life with quick charging technology, and an even lighter version of the laptop is available for those who prioritize portability. This is made possible thanks to a magnesium aluminum alloy that makes the laptop lighter than other laptops on the market. Overall, the ZenBook 13 provides a powerful, elegant, and portable solution for a variety of computing needs.